Morning, gardening friends. This is April 29th, and here's what's blooming in my garden right now. All these tulips over here are still blooming. Look at all the poppies blooming. Kansas gay flower is just coming up. Look at that. And look at the trumpet vine growing. I'm going to guide this branch around the swing and then trim off these ones that are going out here. Trim off these ones that are going out here like this. And this is honeysuckle. It smells really good when it's blooming. And then in this block here, I'm going to plant some other blooming annuals like morning glory and moonflowers, and so we'll have trumpet vine and annuals growing here on this swing. Here's one of the plants I just got at Menards and planted it here. This was last week. Most of the tulips over here are done blooming. I suppose the lilies will be next. They're coming right up. There's a hardy lily right there. There's some more right here. See right in there, those are the blooms that are coming on. Right there. And of course the peonies. And look at all these hardy lilies here. This is a young one out here. It won't bloom this year, but as it grows and the bulb gets bigger, it will be blooming. There's a tulip that hasn't bloomed yet. It's just now starting. There's a bunch more lilies right here. Now this says here it's a viola. I don't know what it is. There's some tulips. And here's some Columbine that was growing out back, and I planted it up here. I started it from seed. Seems to like the move. I get a lot more light out here. Here's some coral bells I just bought and planted. I got them in Menards. Looks like they're pretty nearly done blooming. I don't know what that is. It's a bush of some sort. Here's a dogwood bush. I keep cutting it back so it doesn't grow too much. Here's a peony. Look at all the ants on there. This is Solomon seal. I planted it here last year and dug it up in a friend's garden. It's blooming. This is Lupine. I started it out back from seed, and I just moved it up here a few weeks ago. It's doing real good. Here's a tulip that hasn't bloomed yet. This here is Lupine. Oh, here's a tulip that I shouldn't have let go to seed. Look at that. I need to get out here, pull some weeds and cut off these flowers after they've bloomed. Just cut off the tips. I need to come out and do that, or else this happens. Here's some tulips blooming. Here, this is bleeding heart. This is Lamium. It has the yellow blooms. at these tulips. Isn't that something? Look at you. Looks like these Virginia bluebells are done blooming. Look at the size of those. Like this poppy is getting ready to bloom. I just moved it over here and it's last year, and it's not bloomed since I moved it over here. Same with these. There's got blooms coming on down in there. This is dianthus. I just bought it 2 days ago and put it here. And this is Lamium with the purple flowers I just bought. And now we've got Lamium with the purple and the yellow flowers. This is Sweet William getting ready to bloom. These are coral bells. They've been here for a few years. Looks like they've divided into several crowns. Huh. Yeah, it was just one plant when I planted it here. Now several of them. Huh. What is that? Huh. This is all the Lamium with the yellow flowers back in there against the wall. I've had it for several years, so it's all along here. Here's a bunch of it that's blooming. Here's a Latin rose. This plant's just getting bigger and bigger every year too. Here's these ferns or hostas with giant leaves. I think this is called summon substance. The leaves are huge. And here's some ferns. These are ostrich ferns. And this is an iris that's getting ready to bloom. And these are tulips. Look at that. This is Astilbe, it's not blooming. And this is Lily of the Valley, it's not blooming yet. Here's some more Lily of the Valley here. And this is some more coral bells. They have leaves in all different colors. You saw the dark red one over there. And this is Brunnera, right there, it's blooming. And this is another coral bell with a different color. And here is American violets. Here's some more Astilbe. This, I believe, is going to be Columbine. Either that or bleeding heart. And this is a Virginia bluebell that's spread out here. Just hasn't bloomed yet.